This video is going to cover question 1A from the AP Computer Science A 2023 FRQ. You can find the full question linked in the description. To summarize the problem from question 1, appointments can be made in one of 8 class periods. These class periods are numbered 1 through 8. An appointment has a duration that is a number of minutes. There are 60 minutes within a period, numbered from 0 to 59. To schedule an appointment, a teacher must have at least n consecutive available minutes within a period, where n is the number of minutes requested. An appointment cannot span multiple periods. To summarize question 1A, you're implementing a findFreeBlock method. You're also using the isMinuteFree helper method. IsMinuteFree tells you, given a minute in a period, if the minute is free. findFreeBlock returns the start of a free block within a given period. For the code for 1A, I've initialized a block start variable to -1 to symbolize we don't know where the free block of time starts yet. I've also initialized the time found variable to 0 to represent the current amount of time that is found to be free. You're looping through from 0 to 59 because that's how the minutes are numbered within a period. If a minute within the current period is free, you ask another question. If you haven't set the start of the free block yet, set it to I and increment the amount of available time found. If you have set the start of the free block yet, just increment the amount of available time found. If you've found the consecutive amount of free time you need, return the block start variable, as that's the start of the free period of time. Finally, within the loop, if the minute isn't free, reset the start of the free block to -1 and the amount of free time found back to 0. Outside of the loop, if you haven't found enough consecutive time for the requested appointment time, return a -1. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.